Welcome to the final Galaxy S26 Ultra leaked video. We're covering up last minute leaks from official marketing materials to the actual retail unit getting unboxed all over Twitter. Apparently, someone got their hands on the actual retail unit in Dubai from a shop. They managed to get their hands on it by paying twice the amount of money compared to the actual retail price. It's getting absolutely crazy. Now, since this is the final leak video on the S26 saga, I thought we should do it in a little bit of a different way. Big thanks to you guys for tuning in and stay locked in for the official unpack coverage happening pretty soon. So let's begin with the official look of the device in action. These are actually the images of the retail unit as well as the box itself. So this is how the box is gonna look in real life when you buy it in the shop. But something way more interesting than this is the actual battery improvement of the S26 Ultra. Yes, thanks to Samsung's own marketing material, we now know how much improvement we have on the S26 Ultra despite having the same battery size as the S25 Ultra, or you could say same battery size as the Galaxy S20 Ultra, because for 6 generations we have the same battery size at 5000 mAh. There's absolutely no change. 31 hours for the S25 Ultra, 31 hours for the S26 Ultra. The only improvement that they have mentioned on the website is obviously the official charging improvements. So we're now getting 75% charge in 30 minutes compared to 50% in 30 minutes with the last generation. This is all thanks to the new 60-watt fast charging. Beyond that, the actual battery improvements remains the same. Also, we have the official final Geekbench 6 benchmark scores for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and well, for those who still care about it, for the sake of caring about it, Galaxy S26 Ultra decisively beats the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the multi-core score. But what's interesting is that we have almost the same single-core score as well, meaning Apple really has no advantage over the Snapdragon performance. Again, we'll be doing our official speed test on the channel, so make sure you subscribe and again, stay tuned. Now, we're not done yet because we finally know what are the official exclusive colors of the S26 Ultra that Samsung will offer later. First is the silver color and the second one is the new pink gold color. Sadly, for those who are expecting the orange color, that is not happening, thankfully, because as we know, this is pretty popular with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I'm glad that Samsung for once is not copying Apple when it comes to colors are concerned for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, regarding the camera, it seems like Samsung has taken their time in terms of cooking the best performance that they can when it comes to low light performance is concerned. According to iCineverse, Galaxy S26 Ultra will take fantastic photos in 24 megapixel mode. Not only you get more detail, but also you get much better noise reduction when you're shooting in low light scenarios. Again, this will be something that we'll be testing out on the channel, but seems like things are looking very promising. And last but not the least, as we know, Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to be the first phone in the history to have a one-of-a-kind display with a feature that we have never seen before. And that, as we know, is the AI privacy display. You have the option to have the entire display go black, or you can also set it specific to certain applications, or you can also set it to your notifications. With that being said, that concludes our final Galaxy S26 Ultra leak episode. It's been a good year of coverage, but very soon we're gonna have our testing, and as you guys know, we're gonna do everything on this channel that you guys want to see. If there's anything specific you guys want to see, definitely let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.